try to fix it. I try to picture someone else but you. But then you kissed me, and now there's nothing else I wanna do. For the record, I never thought it would be you and me. You said tomorrow, let's see what happens, but it's plain to see. And tonight we're like fire.
Good morning, everybody. How are you? I chose to do this at the very brilliant time because I have no idea if they've changed the layout of this roundabout again. Okay, yeah, they definitely changed the layout of this roundabout. Because it's no longer a roundabout! Well, that does explain this little bit here. This new little thing here. Which one do I want? I don't think it matters. Oh, okay, this way? Question mark? Well, that's much easier. Oh, there we are. A bit bumpy still, but there we are. There we go, I approve. Anyway, where was I? Good morning, everybody! How's it going? What a lovely morning it is as well. 20 past 9 in a Tuesday morning. Look at it, look at the sunshine. I mean, it's really great, isn't it? And today I'm driving a Volvo. Well, not just any Volvo. 540 horsepower. I've never had such a powerful lorry in my life. Although the guy did say it's probably lost a couple of horses, which I don't have a heavy load on. It's doing a lot better than the 460 anyway. Yeah, I don't have a heavy load on, but I think we do have a good couple of hills coming up. So I'll give it a good chance. Taking a load of... truth be told, I have no idea what it is. But 18 pallets of something to somewhere. Pallets of something to somewhere. That's pretty much all I got. But it's this way. And yeah. So far so good. I'm enjoying the lorry. It's a 61 plate Volvo, as I said. And it's the oldest lorry I've discovered that has an aux cable as well, so I'm happy with that. It's good spec, this one, good spec indeed. I'm going along now at 56. I swear to God, I did not feel this thing accelerate. It's so smooth. I love it. It's brilliant. Almost missed that entrance. Turns out I'm a lot lighter than I thought I was. I thought I was around 30 tons. Maybe a bit over. I'm actually 25 and a half tons. What the guy said earlier about this having lost a couple of horses. Yeah, I see what he means. That bay 4. I know it doesn't matter, but I like to be in the lines. Hello? Right then, let's have a bit of fun getting out of here. I can't make that. Okay, reversing it is. I'm tempted to give it another shot. So I'm sure I can make that. There's got to be plenty of room there, man. Oh, screw it. Give it another go. Very, very risky that was. I won't be doing that again. Yeah, I won't be doing that without pulling off my airlines first. Back on the weighbridge. Okay, I don't know how, but now that I'm empty, I'm sure the performance of this thing is actually worse. Because I was struggling to get up to speed on the flat there. I don't get it. Loaded, it seems fine, but empty struggles. So there's something I'm missing here. I don't know, just around the corner from this one now. If Mr. Flowgas would find the accelerator. Oh, look at that windmill. Very windy today, isn't it? Huh. Got power! I just complained about there not being power, but power! Woo! Come on, I'm empty with 540 horsepower. It shouldn't be that hard.
At the roundabout.
I got a feeling I should have gone up the top there. Every time I come to this estate I get lost. So, oh well. What's that sign say? $30 to 4. Well, yeah, we're going. These numbers are getting way too high now. I don't think it's that one, because that looks like a bit of a tip to me. 15 to 18, getting closer. Still too high. Good. Whatever that says. Not there. Left or right, guys? Which way? Let's try right. Try not. Still not there. Why not try up here? I don't think I should have tried up here. Oh, can I turn around? Just tight enough for me to doubt that I'll do it. So if that turner's lorry wasn't there, I'd probably try it, but oh well, it's a quiet estate anyway. This technically count as going the wrong way around the roundabout. Right. Let's try the other way. Oh, shut up. Why do the signs always face the wrong way? Oh, hang on. This is what I want. Do I go around the back? There's a crap ton of pallets around the back, so I'm assuming I'm going around the back. Try not to mount any curbs if I can help it. There we go. Reversing and driving, reversing and driving. Definitely reversing. Alright, that was easy. Only 8 pallets. 4 regular thingies, a bit like what we had earlier, and 4 empty IBCs. Hey, look, guys, look what we got there. Look what it is. Pallets! I'm so mature. I'm not really sure what they make here, but it smells like they make e-liquid for cigarettes. Although I got a feeling that is completely wrong. I am starving. Places for food on the way back. Ooh! I'm not sure if I'm passing Monmouth Services. If I am, I'll have a Greggs. Because they got a Greggs there. And I like my Greggs. I haven't had a Greggs for a long time now. It's been at least a month. I'm having withdrawals. Right, you want me to go down there? Why do you want me to go down there? Also squeaky brakes. Oh no, okay. Yeah, there's no way back onto the thing that way, fair enough. Okay, let's see where the baby's taking us. That sign says 465, so I'm confident it's the right way. I've never been here before. I didn't know Rassa was actually a village. Ah! I forgot what happens in daytime. Little thing we call traffic. Ha! Tends to be worse around roadworks. They just called me apparently I got another pallet to collect somewhere. Just waiting for details. So I need to pull over somewhere and check my phone in a bit. I'm very ready to not sit in traffic anymore. So starting to take the piss. You know, I've been following these guys for about half a mile now, and now, you know, I just realised that wrecker in front. Oh my god, it's a bit. That wrecker is towing a recovery truck, pulling a car. Why is there no room for me with a burger van? Maybe I could have squeezed in there. Oh, too late now. Everything happens at once. Oh, hang on. Oh, I know where I am.
Take the 3rd exit.
I got extremely lost here once. Trying to find that garden centre. Oh, hang on. I think I've been to this place before then. If it's the one I'm thinking of. If it's the one I'm thinking of, I got really pissed off here. Because I was working with a pallet network. And it took me ages to find that garden centre, and it was a Friday. And at this point it was like 5:30 or something there. And they sent me for a collection in this estate. And the place they sent me to collect closed at 4. Because it was a Friday. Here somewhere. Ah, deja vu. It was this place as well, I think. Yeah, it was the place I got sent to. Gates are open this time. Let's park here for a bit. There's a lorry already in there now. Just try and get out of here without hitting anything. Snapping an airline. absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure when I last left you. However, I'm going to Cardiff to pick up a couple of pallets now. Oh yeah, those ones we picked up, we tipped those. I remember now. I left you with that last collection, didn't I? Yeah, so we tipped those and now we're going to Cardiff. Woo. I think I just saw an old lorry. An old Ford, I believe. Going to Cardiff, which kind of sucks because I'll be pretty much right on my door. 5 minutes from home. Then I have to come all the way back to the yard. It's a pain in the ass. Because I really like the company I'm working for today. But it is one of the furthest away from me since I've moved. Not the furthest. It's just an ever so slight inconvenience. Considering I've gotten used to working 10 minutes from home. Majority of the jobs I get now, I can literally walk to work. It's brilliant. Hello to Cardiff! You know, I think this must be at least 5 videos in a row where I've featured this road. It's becoming a bit too common now. At least this time we're going the other way. And we're not going straight ahead at the roundabout either. We're gonna be... oh crap. I need to turn left, but it's one of those awkward ones that kind of sneaks up on you. So I need to nick a bit of the other lane, but... yeah, I could swear I'll be hearing voices all day. Turns out this thing has a vehicle turning left alarm. Oh, I have this to look forward to. We're smack bang in the middle of rush hour now. Yay! Could be cheeky and go down the country road route. It depends depends how long we're there for. I don't really fancy doing that in Arctic anyway. Oh, there's a lot of traffic here. Oh, Mambach. I love it when it's not me though. Oh look, no end in sight. Oh no. Oh, to be a bike. It's this one I want, isn't it? Yes, 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 now, yes. Yes. That's Aldi. That's a gate that looks like it's been hit. Allegedly down here. Not too sure, in fact. Well, he said there's no name on the building. Or is it that one over there? Oh, is that one over there? Or is it this one over here? I'm gonna go with this one over here. There's only one way to find out. Right, did I get the right place? You have until the moment I back up to answer. I just realised there's a slight giveaway there. Has anybody spotted it? Yes, we found the right place. Being the masterful lorry driver I am. Woo! Beacons! You can't see anything. The one time I have beacons. Right, back to the yard, and I'm assuming that'll be me for the day. Got another shift booked in tomorrow with a different company, one of the regular ones. So I don't have to get up quite as early as today. Let's see. Oh, we were there fair enough. We were there long enough. Right, let's hope we don't run into that queue with traffic. Damn it! I seem to have forgotten to film an outro for this one. So, because, you know, I know you guys. You are good guys. You have liked this video already. I see that. This video has already reached 3 million likes. I can hope. And because you like this video, you've also left a comment. Good comment, bad comment. Tell me I need a haircut. I need a haircut. What do you think I wear the hat? Yes, it's actually been many weeks since I actually filmed this video. Last night I edited it, and I realised I ran out of footage. So yeah, you get me now with my much more lovely hair. Also realised my camera likes to delete clips now, because I recorded a brilliant clip of the forklift unloading those pallets at, I don't even know where we were now. But anyway, the clip got corrupted and for some reason never got saved to the memory card, which really pissed me off, because I worked hard again that one. Oh well. Yeah, so leave a comment on stupid hair, corrupting memory cards, forklifts. Ugh. And because you're such good guys, you've also subscribed. I can see my numbers shooting through the roof. See you in the next one.